To another video from 10x Investor Education. Today I would like to talk about home builder stocks and how many stocks I own and why I'm interested in this sector and why this sector has been hitting 52-week high new every week or every month almost. So this is yesterday's change for the home builder stocks. As you can see here, anywhere between these stocks were up anywhere between 1 to 3%. So if you look at my previous video on home builder stocks, favorite stocks, BZH homes and other stocks. So this video released few months back. As you can see here, the prices of some of the home builder. For example, LEN was $70, Toll Brothers for $30 stock, and also DR Horton was $60 stocks. And if you look at these stock prices right now, LEN is $106. DR Horton is $97, and also Toll Brothers is actually almost doubled, $62. So as you can see here, the stocks were in last few months were up anywhere between 30 to 50% up. So there are multiple reasons, as you guys know, because of the COVID-19, because of the migration to the suburbs. These home building stocks have been hot, and also low interest rates. Yes, one of the risk for this home building stocks is high interest rates, and also the cost of the materials, metals that goes into, and also the backlog. So even in spite of all those things, even the numbers falling some of these builder stocks, still the stock prices have been hitting a new high every week or almost every month. So if you look at here, the performance view that I create on my own, and if you look at here, I like some of these home builders, especially as you can see here, based on PE and other factors. Okay. So even though Meritage Homes is still cheapest builder, the location where they are situated, they are not a lot of places not affordable. But if you look at other builders such as KB Homes, Pulte, and especially the low stock priced BZH Homes, which is another my favorite, I still own Toll Brothers, I still own BZH Homes, I still own Pulte and DR Horton. So as you can see here, the locations where DR Horton, Toll Brothers, BZH Homes, these places, and also KB Homes, these places, people still, there's a lot of demand. For example, LEN builds one of the most affordable homes, and they have been building like crazy. They have been buying lands and actually growing like crazy. So what does this mean? If you look at here, this is based on 52-week, and these stocks are still, in my view, pretty cheap. Even if there is small correction and prices of these commodities that goes into home, prices of the material, construction material goes up, still because of the demand, the price of the home, they have been increasing. And as I said in my previous video, some of these builders actually asking people to bid for the homes, and that's how artificially they are increasing the prices for the new homes. So in my view, these are still one of the cheapest sector that is available, and I still see potential for next couple of months these hitting new highs, and I'm still not selling these stocks anytime soon, and keep adding more stocks on these dips. So especially BZH Homes, which I own several hundred, Toll Brothers I own, and these I get decent dividend. Toll Brothers I get decent dividend, and BZH Homes I get decent covered call premium, and the reason why I would like to play around these stocks. And if you think this home construction is going to hit at 52-week high and correct itself, and this is exactly for last 6 months, same thing I thought. Even 1 year back, the home prices for peak, they are going to correction, but there is no correction so far at all, at least the stock prices and even the home prices. So, and if you are scared of picking any of the stocks, I have 2 ETFs in this category. So one is known as SPDR Home Builder ETF XHB. This also went up almost 30 to 40% in last 6 months. So this is basically, it's a pure home builder ETF. So this has maximum potential to go up as the demand for the homes, but also comes with some risk because this is not a diversified one, and almost everything in this is a home builders. As you can see here, it has LEN, Horton, and NVR, Pulte, and Toll Brothers. So whereas if you look at other ETF, which is known as ITB, iShares US Home Construction ETF, little more diversified with Home Depot, Lowe's, Sherwin-Williams, and Dobb Build. So it's not just home builders but related companies and also the companies that supplies for the home construction. So this is little more diversified in safety wise. So this is another option if you are looking into entering into this market. So as I said, so as you can see here in the previous screen, I have shown how this PE of these companies, and almost all these companies anywhere up between anywhere 80 to 100 and 200% in last 1 year, and they still have some of the lowest PE in the industry. So and some of them are like 2 billion market cap, some of them are 11 billion market cap. Anyway, I prefer anywhere between small to medium cap stocks. So if you look at here, an affordability crisis could hit housing markets. These ones are the most stretched. So this is a recent Barron's article. What it is saying is, go for companies where the people can afford in the markets. So some of these home construction companies, they are in markets where it's very expensive and they cannot make a lot of homes. For example, if you take LEN, DR Horton, BZH, so they are diversified in multiple locations and they build a lot more affordable homes. That's exactly what this article is saying. Public builders exposure is broadly less favorable than the national average in terms of affordability. According to SDAL's calculation, so like companies like NVR, BZH Homes, DR Horton are the least exposed to areas with stretched affordability, whereas TPH, Meritage, and Taylor Morrison are the most exposed. So basically what is recommending is go to builder stocks that are not exposed of affordability. So in this case, BZH Homes, DR Horton, and NVR are some of the companies he is recommending rather than buying Meritage Homes and Taylor Morrison. I think I completely agree with it. So as I said, this is this almost hitting a new high every week, and I see next couple of quarters I still a lot of demand for homes, and given the cost of the things, interest rates going up, still the demand has been there, and the price, they can easily pass the cost of raw materials to the customer by increasing the prices. So this is one of my favorite sector that has been hitting high every month, and this is what I have been liking this sector as well. So this is not a pure recommendation, this is purely my thoughts on my stocks, and I own a lot of these home construction stocks. Let me know what your thoughts on these home builder stocks, whether you like it or you are not involved in the stocks. Please click the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications, and see you on my next video. Thank you.